Monday.com versus a Notion. Welcome to the ultimate showdown in productivity. Monday.com versus Notion, two powerhouse platforms. Each is there with its own unique flair. So let's dive into the battle of boards and notes. Imagine you are a professional with big dreams and bigger to-do lists. So you can just rely by Monday.com because Monday.com keeps your team in sync and on track. While on the other hand, as for Notion, Notion is a versatile workspace area where your creativity knows no bounds. So with Monday.com, what you can do is you can assign your tasks, you can track progress, and you can celebrate all of the, victories with your team. It's really colorful, has an intuitive interface. It makes your project management super easy. Like, let's just say you're working on customer reviews. So there's a Kanban view right here. You have these are the requests you can add in that your customers have asked off for. Then you can add a different board that's waiting for approval. And if your task is done, you can automate it around here. So basically just making planning and project management super easy. So now when we talk about Notion, on the other hand, this is where someone who needs to brainstorm and express any of their thoughts that really comes from creative aspect. Notion is the best platform for that. You can plan projects to make personal journals right here and organize, collaborate, and innovate like never before. There's so many customizable templates as well that you can start off new by adding a new page. You can do that by scratch or start off by templates here. And here, there is no bound to, any integration, any sort of templates. You can customize everything basically. While Monday.com really excels in team collaboration and workflow, Notion shines with its flexibility and creative potential. It's like the clash of titans, but each cater to different needs and preferences. So whether you're a Monday.com person or, someone who's more into Notion, one thing's for sure, that productivity has never looked this good. If you just really want to use something that is, that caters to you, I would prefer this one's interface more as opposed to Monday.com. Monday.com is something that you would like to use specifically for your business purposes. And on the other hand, Notion is something that could be put into use in every way. You can use it for your academic stuff, for your personal stuff, and even for your work as well. So at the end, your choice between both of those two comes down to your personal preferences. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.